reception. So today for our maths activity we are carrying on with our ordering and sequencing of events. And today we are going to be thinking about how we brush our teeth. Now this seems like the most simple of tasks because it's something that we do every single day. But do you know, can you explain to your grown-up what order we do this in? So I recommend firstly sitting down with your grown-up and explaining to them what order you think you brush your teeth in. So what do you do first? What do you do second? What do you do third? Ask your grown-up to write this down for you, and then after you've done it you can check if you got it right. Once you've discussed this with your grown-up, go upstairs to your bathroom and brush your teeth. And as you're doing it, your grown-up will have your instructions with you that you've already talked about and will tell you if you're doing it how you thought you did it. It would be really interesting to see if you got it all right, because sometimes we do things without even thinking about what we're doing. It's called repetitive movements. We do them so often that we don't actually think about it anymore. So once you've brushed your teeth, check with your grown-up, did you miss anything out? Did you put everything in the right order? And then you will have these cards in your portfolios again. So you can do like yesterday. You can either draw your own timeline, so draw each picture, what you do first, second, third, and write a little caption underneath explaining to me what is happening. Or you can cut these pictures out and use these pictures, and underneath each picture write the number that you would do it in. So order the numbers for me, and that ticks another objective for us as well. So you can either use these cards that I'm doing, that I've given you if you've got a printer, or you can draw your own, but we are going to be ordering and sequencing how we brush our teeth. Okay then, bye.